Alright, so what is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, it's me again, Mr. Learning, and we're back with another video. Alright, so today we're just going to make a simple tutorial of how to uninstall unwanted softwares or unnecessary softwares that are being installed in your PC. Okay, well, lots of softwares being installed in your PC will definitely make your laptop hang or stop working. Okay, or will definitely let your device or your laptop work slowly or process slowly. All right, so today that's what we're going to do. We're going to uninstall unnecessary applications in our device to make or to optimize the capability of your device. Okay, the first thing that you will do, my dear friends, is of course go to your Cortana search bar, then type in control panel. I believe there are so many softwares that is being installed in your PC that you don't actually use every time. You don't necessarily need every time you open your laptop or your computer. Okay, so this will also prevent your device in hanging, okay, or in lagging. Okay, so after typing in control panel to our Cortana search bar, we then proceed to programs and install a program. Okay, click this one and we will be redirected to our programs and install program. Alright, so these are all our programs being installed in my PC. Okay, all we need to do then is to select the unnecessary softwares that we don't usually use every time we open our computer. Okay, so I'm going to uninstall Shotcut. Alright, this is actually a video editor. It consists of up to 300 MB, and it will definitely make our gadget lag or hang if we have so many softwares installed in our device. Alright, so I'll remove this one. Okay, right click, then click uninstall, then click yes to fully uninstall the software. Okay, then wait for it until it's done uninstalling. Click uninstall, then there you go. Okay, that's just simply of how to uninstall a program in your device. Uninstall the unnecessary softwares or the unwanted programs that you don't usually use. Okay, so wait for it until it's done uninstalling and you're good to go. All right, so we're done. I'm gonna close this one. Let me try another. Let me uninstall another software. I'm going to uninstall this Zoom since I usually don't conduct conference meeting or attend conference meetings. Okay, so I'm going to uninstall that one. Alright, so all you need to do again, my dear friends, is to wait. Okay, so with this action or with this activity, it will definitely help your device to prevent from hanging or lagging. Alright, optimize your device. Learn to protect your device. We're done uninstalling and we're good to go. Restart your PC, then work again. Bye bye.